In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check which version of HubSpot you're using. Now, an interesting thing to note is that HubSpot doesn't have a version number like traditional software. Because it's a cloud-based SaaS platform, HubSpot is continuously updated by the provider. This means that whenever you log in, you are always using the latest iteration of their software. What we're looking at today is more about understanding your account's tier or plan, such as free, starter, professional, or enterprise. Knowing which plan you're on can help you maximize your use of HubSpot's features and perhaps plan for any upgrades you might be considering. First things first, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. If you haven't done so already, head over to their website and enter your credentials. Once logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon right there. Go ahead and click on that icon, which will reveal a drop-down menu of options. From the drop-down, you want to navigate to either the pricing and features or the products and services tab, depending on what is displayed on your specific interface. Clicking on this will bring you to a detailed breakdown of your current account standing. It's here that you can see your specific plan or version of HubSpot, whether that be something like Sales Hub Starter or Marketing Hub Professional. The page gives you a comprehensive overview of your subscription, including any add-ons you might be using. Understanding these details is crucial. For instance, knowing if you're on a basic plan versus an enterprise plan will inform you about the tools and features you have at your disposal. Moreover, it helps you keep track of any add-ons. Perhaps you've subscribed to extra functionality for email marketing or CRM integrations. Those would also be listed here. The advantage of this ongoing accessibility to updated features is that it ensures you're always in line with the latest functionalities HubSpot offers, making sure your business tools are as robust and efficient as possible. While this process might seem straightforward, it's a great habit to check back here regularly, keeping yourself informed about the tools you're working with and ensuring you're maximizing what they have to offer. So there you have it, a simple yet essential task that gives you valuable insight into your HubSpot account. Whether you're using it for the first time or are a seasoned user, understanding your current plan can open doors to improved operations and maybe even spark some ideas for growth with new features. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you navigate HubSpot with more confidence and ease. Until next time.